Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to receive Ethereum using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the application on your device. On the home screen, find the Receive button and click on it. Here, find and select Ethereum from a list of cryptocurrencies. You can choose a network and get an address to receive from here. You can either copy the wallet address and save it manually or allow the sender to scan the QR code directly from your screen. You can also set the amount of the Ethereum you want by clicking on Set Amount button and typing the amount from here and confirm it. Once the sender completes the transaction, you will receive the Ethereum into Unstoppable Crypto Wallet after the transaction is completed on the blockchain. After Ethereum is received and confirmed, your wallet balance will update to reflect the incoming transaction. You have now successfully received Ethereum using your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.